you want to say that what not to do initially when a learner wants to learn this language?
So do not
Mm-hmm.
force. When it comes to learning languages, do not
Mm-hmm.
force yourself. It has to be natural. Today,
To make chapati, it is quite difficult rather than learning English, right?
yes,
But
absolutely.
we should learn the correct thing. We should
Hmm.
listen to the correct
Hmm. Hmm.
English. Or
Yes.
how to make the chapati, we should learn from the expert. But after learning also we are going to make mistake. It's a different thing.
Very well said. Very nice comparison.
Good
Good
evening,
e
ma'am.
good evening. You can call me Hina. So,
Hina. Okay.
and
Nice.
your name would
It's
pronounce as Messina.
Mahsina. Mahsina. Mm,
Messina. Okay.
yes.
All right. Very nice to meet you, Messina. How was
Nice
your
to
day?
meet you too.
Thank you.
My day was quite, I can say, well, it went well
Hmm.
because weather is pleasant. And from today, my children, they got summer vacation. So I'm quite relaxed.
Oh, okay, okay. So how long is
1 month, this month only, July, the whole month.
July? July. Hmm.
I would like to know about you because this is the first time I'm talking to you.
Yes. So my name is Hina, and I have been teaching at Clapingo for over a year.
Okay.
And yes, I love to garden. Yes, that's my passion, and I love to take out for a walk. My dog. Her name is Unni. Yeah, I had
Oh.
adopted her 4 years ago. So yes,
Mhm.
she is the princess, and I stay with my best friend. And
Okay.
it's been more than 15 years we stay together since our school time actually. We have
Okay.
been staying together. We
Mhm.
worked together in the same company. So yes, that's pretty much about
Okay.
me.
So where are you from? I think you didn't mention that.
Yes, I am from Darjeeling, West Bengal.
Darjeeling. Okay, I am
Yes,
also from Northeast. I'm
yes,
from
you are.
Assam. Yeah.
Oh, really? Nice, very nice.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, very good. Okay,
Okay. I would
tell.
like to ask you
Hmm,
one question. We
hmm,
all the time talk about what to do, and beginners ask that
hmm,
how to learn this language.
hmm,
But I would like to ask you, what is your perspective, or what do you want to say that what not to do
hmm,
initially when a learner wants to learn this language?
Okay. So, what I would like to tell the learners is not to consider this language as a subject. Uh, for example, mathematics, science,
Mm,
history, geography. All right. So
mm,
you cannot consider English as that, like that, because it's a language. Although we are
mm,
learning it like it's a subject today, right? But it's not. It's
mm,
actually a language, just like you speak in Hindi, Bengali, any other regional vernacular languages. It's same. English
mm,
is same like them. So the process of learning it has to be natural. So what not to do is what not to memorize and force
mm,
yourself in during the process. Force
mm,
yourself. So what happens sometimes is, for example, if a learner is trying to learn a grammar portion, okay,
mhm,
and there are
yes.
many times that we don't understand the logic. Ki,
Mhm,
why is
yes.
a plus b c? Yeah, we don't understand. And what happens with learners, most of the learners, is that until and unless I don't solve this
Mm,
and understand the logic why a plus b is c, I will not move on to the next one. Okay,
okay.
so
Okay.
now this is something that you shouldn't be doing.
Okay.
You don't understand it today, it's
Mhm,
okay. Your brain is not ready to understand it that at that point. Move
mhm,
on to something else. You will come to realize that there are two things that is going to happen.
mhm,
Either you will on a later stage you will understand it automatically. Oh,
mhm,
okay, while trying to study something else, Okay, while trying to understand something else, you will come to understand, because our brains are interconnected, right? So it
Mm-hmm.
can link together things. It's a map, right?
Mm.
You will come to realize, oh, okay, that thing meant that. All right, now I understand. Either that will happen, or you can maybe come back to that topic later after studying few other topics and then try to understand. Your brain will be better prepared to take that in. So do not
Mm-hmm.
force. When it comes to learning languages, do not
Mm-hmm.
force yourself. It has to be natural. Today you saw a new word. Maybe you can research about it a little bit. How is the word
Mm.
used? What is the meaning, pronunciation? But don't memorize. Sit and memorize like we used to memorize tables
Mm.
when we
Yes.
were young, right?
Mm-hmm.
Once you got it, it's okay. Leave it to that. You will come across that same word
Yes.
later with different
Mm.
contexts. Yeah,
Mm.
and you will get it. With practice, you will come to understand that word later. So yes, my tip is just that much, that do not regard this particular language learning as any other science or history or geography learning process. It cannot be same. It cannot be same.
Some people are that they say that I understand English, I can read and write, but I'm not able to speak. So, what
Hmm.
suggestions would you like to give them?
The first thing is, first of all, your brain has to accept, you have to accept that,
Mm-hmm.
and compare the language that you're speaking right now,
Mm-hmm.
the vernacular language. Why is it fluent? First, you need to understand that, right?
Mm-hmm.
A complete beginner needs to understand that first,
Mm-hmm.
because you have been listening to that language since the beginning of your time. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
from your mother, father, teachers, friends, locality, neighborhood, right?
Mm-hmm.
Everybody speaking in that particular language. After you start speaking, after you learn to speak, you start speaking in that language. And what? It has been 20 years, 30 years, you
Mm-hmm.
have been speaking that language, automatically it becomes fluent. Same goes for any other language. So the first process is what? It's listening, just like your vernacular
Yes.
language. It has to be listening, 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 and you have to pick up something interesting that interests you,
Mm.
but in that language. You have to.
Yes.
Maybe sometimes you'll get bored. Oh, I don't, because with complete beginners, it is very much possible that
Yes.
you will listen to the first 10 minutes in English, and then you will switch to dubbed
Mother.
versions. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it is very much possible. Yeah, but it's okay. Don't force yourself. 10 minutes, whatever your capability to give to that particular language. And it also depends how much you are passionate about it to learn. How fast do you want to learn? How much you can
Mm.
concentrate, right? So if it is
Mm.
10 minutes, be it 10 minutes, but those 10 minutes should be really, like, you should give quality time, focus.
100%
Yeah,
focused. Mm-hmm.
really focus those 10 minutes and learn each and every line, as in listen to it properly, each and every particular line, right? And then
Mm.
you start slowly, when you get a habit of listening, then maybe start, for complete beginners, start shadowing, as in
Okay. Mm-hmm.
repeating those sentences itself. Once you got through that hurdle, then maybe you can start making your own sentences on any given topic. Maybe pick up
Mm.
a topic on environment. Speak 4 lines on environment. mental
Mm.
mental health, your
Food.
daily schedule.
Daily,
Yeah,
yeah, daily routine. These are the basic things:
yes,
mental health,
basic things.
physical health,
Yes.
exercise.
Yeah.
Mm.
Right.
What you like
So
to do? What are your hobbies? Right?
yes, absolutely.
Mm.
Who was your favorite teacher? What was your favorite subject? What games you played in when you were a child? So that becomes, why these topics? Because it some would be in simple present, some would be in past tense, right? So
Yes.
you can cover everything that way.
Mm.
So for complete beginners, this is the process you have to. But yes, I know for a complete beginner, it's a lot more difficult, because
It
it
takes a
is.
lot of time as
Yeah.
well, and they
Yes,
lose the patience, right? See, when it
that's
comes
right.
to learning our mother tongue, we didn't learn it intentionally, deliberately, right? It has
Yes.
happened to us naturally, and it also took many years, as you have said, that we have been
Yes.
talking for 20 years, 10 years, and
Hmm.
we even did not realize that we have been
Yes.
learning this language. We It has developed with
Hmm.
time and practice.
Yes. Yes.
But when it comes to learning this English language,
Hmm.
I see that people don't have that much of patience.
Hmm.
Predominantly, when they take classes, they have the expectation that if I join any tutor, then I must be fluent within 3 months or 2 months. So, what would
Hmm.
you like to say? Because there are many people, even some of my friends, they say we don't need to join any tutor because these days there are so many platforms, WhatsApp groups are there, and
Hmm.
we just have to speak
Hmm.
in English.
Hmm.
Then why should they join tutors?
So, it's not necessary. I never force anybody to join tutors. It's not necessary. Again, like all the five fingers in our hand, if they are not similar, right?
Okay,
It's
yeah.
it's same with people as well. If they are not same, some can manage on their own, some cannot. So it completely depends. And also this learning process, it is different for everybody. Maybe your
Mm,
process that worked for you may
it
not
may
work for
not
some.
work for someone else.
Yes,
Mm,
right.
okay,
So
right.
but this experimenting, it has to be your own journey. You have to experiment. Let's try this. Does it work
Mm,
for me? Let's try that. Does it work for me? Whatever works, choose that and stick with it. That's it. You specifically don't need tutors. What you need is you need dedication.
mm,
When you have the dedication, you will find out your own way, be it tutor, be it YouTuber, yeah, be
mm.
it chat gpt, whatever you choose. So it is
Yes.
completely, yeah, your dedication, right?
Okay. One more thing I would like to discuss with you, that it becomes difficult to unlearn. Okay.
Oh,
So if
please,
someone
yes.
has started talking to some beginners or the co-learners and they have
Hmm.
been exchanging the wrong things, wrong
Hmm.
sentence formation, wrong grammar, then later or down the line it becomes so difficult to eradicate this issue.
Yeah.
So what would your suggestion for those? Yes, you have already told that I don't force, it depends on person to person. But do you
Hmm.
think that initially they should join? I'm even not saying, because I began with my cousin.
Hmm. Hmm.
I started talking to him and he started giving me the feedback of
Hmm.
grammar or pronunciation. Then I
Hmm.
took the help from some tutors because I want to become proficient. I want to
Hmm.
speak correct English
Yes,
and I want to
yes.
guide learners as well. So
Hmm.
I see that some learners, they have been speaking English for 2 years, but they make basic mistakes and
Hmm.
they even don't know they are making mistakes.
Hmm.
So for example, see, sometimes it happens, even though we know at times
Hmm.
in a flow we make mistakes, but
Hmm.
it happens to me after making mistake. I could easily understand, okay,
Yes.
I made mistake and
Hmm,
I
that's right.
started rectifying that.
Hmm.
But when I give some feedback to some of my learners, they don't
Hmm.
realize that they made mistake. So then
Hmm.
I think that no, then that's why we need mentors to give
Hmm.
feedback, so that
Hmm.
once they get to know, okay, here I am lacking or I am making mistake, they
Hmm.
will be aware. And how
Hmm.
can I rectify our mistake? By becoming a bit cautious and
Hmm.
putting focus while
Yes.
speaking, and making our speaking little bit slow, because
Hmm.
these are the
Hmm.
things I have already applied in my case.
Yeah. 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 So, what I said is that it depends from person to person. Now, only those people can do it without mentors who are really good at observing and
Mm,
introspecting. So, for example, you don't have any mentor. One doesn't have any mentor, right? So he needs to basically always remember, what did I say? To
mm,
introspect, to always check. And then when he sees someone else speaking, right,
mm,
uh,
mm,
the same similar kind of structure, is he observant enough to catch that? So two things: introspection, self introspection,
mm,
and observing. That has to be like literally high level, so that he can
mm,
do it on his own, so that he can hone it on the skill on his own.
mm,
Otherwise, mentors are required so that you
mm,
know that where you lack, where what is the fault, right? Yes, that's what I can say. And to unlearn, Basically, what I would say is, even if you're speaking incorrect English, uh,
Mm-hmm.
I'm talking about complete beginners, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let them speak, because that's the first stage.
Mm.
If you do not break that hurdle, um,
Yes.
whatever it is, broken English,
Mm-hmm.
incorrect English, but at least that person is speaking. Now there,
Speaking.
yes, there will come a stage like it came for you, where you
Mm.
came to realize, oh, okay, I just said something incorrect.
Mm.
It comes with to everyone, but maybe for some it will come a little sooner, for some it will come a little late, but it will come. In language it happens that you will come to realize one day, if you speak every day English,
Mm.
and if you listen to people, speaking with people who are not that good, is it's still okay, but listening to people who are not good at speaking, that is very bad. Okay.
Mm. Okay,
So
okay.
at least listening, you should choose very wisely whom you listen to, so that you
Mm-hmm.
always, the input that you are getting, that should always be correct. Output you
Great.
can manage, you can correct later, you can realize
Mm-hmm.
later, oh, okay, no,
Mm-hmm.
this sentence is not said this way. It
Mm.
can be done later. But listening, the to unlearn the listening part, it's a little more difficult.
True, true. Once our subconscious mind catches something, it becomes too much difficult
That's
to
right.
remove that. You said the
Exactly.
correct thing. For practice, because it is going to happen bound, that we are
mm,
going to make mistake when
mm.
initially we do something, whatever the things. It's not about
Mm.
only this language. When
Yes,
we
yes.
learn how to drive, how to swim, how to cook, how to make chapati, it is quite difficult rather than learning English, right?
Yes,
But
absolutely.
we should learn the correct thing. We should
Mm.
listen to the correct
Mm.
English. Or
Yes.
how to make the chapati, we should learn from the expert. But after learning also we are going to make mistake. It's a different thing.
Very well said. Very nice comparison. All right. So, Messina, I think our time is almost up. Actually, I'm very sorry. I do have another session after this, right?
Yeah, okay.
All the best, right,
Yeah,
Messina?
thank
I'm
you.
so
Yes.
sorry. Yes.
Thank you so much for giving me time and giving me this
Absolutely.
constructive feedback. I hope
Anytime,
that we'll
anytime.
meet soon again. Yeah.
Sure, sure, sure. We'll
Yeah.
wait for that day. Yeah.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.